Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yes, children, we are continuing the revision on factorization. Yes, factorize. Factorize 16x to the power 4 minus 625y to the power 4. What's the first step? Let's do it together. Let's do this one together. What is the first step?
Ma'am, we should change it to the form a square minus b square.
Yeah. So the expression fits into which identity?
A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, ma'am.
Perfect. Yes.
16x to the power 4 becomes 4x square the whole square, ma'am.
4x square the
Whole square.
Then
25y square the whole square, ma'am.
25 square is 625. Y square, the whole square is y to the power 4. Correct. Because 4 square is 16. X square, the whole square is x power 4. 25 square is 625. Y square, the whole square is y to the power 4. Fine. This is the first step. Next. What is a from this? It's in the form a square minus b square. What is a?
4x square.
Cover the x square. Cover the x square. That is a. So this is a. And what is b?
25y square, ma'am.
25 is correct.
Yeah. This is b. So now we need to write a plus b into a minus b. Let's write a minus b first. A minus b. A minus b into a plus b. A plus b. Now we have a few more steps to complete the factorization, children. What is that? What is the next step?
Ma'am, we can use the same formula again in 4x square minus 45y square.
Perfect.
A square minus b square. A square
Yeah.
minus b square, ma'am.
Correct. Yes. So this is further. You can say p square minus q square.
2x the whole square minus 5y the whole square, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 second. So here we have 2x. 2x the whole square is 4x square. And 5y the whole square is 25y square. And this one with the plus sign comes as it is. 4x squared plus 25y square as it is. Because this cannot be factorized further because it has a plus sign as the connecting sign. Yeah, so now this is in the form p square minus q square, where p is 2x, p square is 2x the whole square. P square is 2x the whole square. P is 2x. And q is 5y. Q square is 5y the whole square. Q is 5y. So this is p plus q into p minus q. This is p minus q into this is p plus q And write the last bracket 4x square plus 25y square as it is. Yes, children, please write down. Very good.
Ma'am, can we write it as 2x the whole square plus 5y the whole square?
Which one has 2x the whole square?
The last expression, ma'am.
That will take you back to the earlier step, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it is from there we have to factorize. We shouldn't go back to the earlier step. From a square minus b square, we have got the factors a plus b and a minus b. So you must have the factors. You should not multiply and get the product again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, when you're doing that, you're going back to the earlier step.
Completed writing.
Very good. Done, children? Completed writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Raja finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
All right. Anyone want some more time?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, because it's not a I have not, it's not a word file that I've used here. So since I'm annotating, I have to clear the slide, and if you ask me again, then I cannot get it back.
No, ma'am. Completed.
All right. Good. Try the second one. Again, it's factorize and divide. The heading is factorize and divide.
Ma'am, what is after plus, ma'am? Ma'am. Ma'am, x square minus 22x plus after that, ma'am?
117.
Okay.
Factorize and divide. X square minus 22x plus 117 divided by x minus 13.
Ma'am, can we start working?
Yeah, children, yes, start working.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Raja, what is the sum? What is the sum, Raja?
Ma'am,
What is the sum in the expression x squared minus 22x plus 117? What is the sum? What is the required sum? What is the required product? Who can tell me the sum?
Minus 22, ma'am.
And what's the product?
117, ma'am.
And what are the two numbers?
Minus 13x and minus 9x, ma'am.
1 into 117 is 117. Not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, 7 plus 1, 8. Yeah, it is divisible by 3.
3 into 39 is 117, ma'am.
Yeah, it's divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So it's divisible by 3. 3 into 39. It's not divisible by 4, not divisible by 5, 6, no, 7, no, 8, no, 9. 9 13s are. And then 10, 11, 12, no, 13 9s are. So only this pair can give you 22 as a sum. These two cannot give you 22 as a sum. So the two numbers are 9 and 13, and we need to fix the signs accordingly. Since the sum is negative, both will take a negative. The sum is negative and the product is positive. I've told you, fix a minus to both the numbers, plus to both the numbers, one plus the other minus. So like that, you write out all the 4 pairs and choose the correct pair. Choose the correct pair. So minus 9 minus 13 will give you sum minus 22 and product plus 117. What do we do next?
Ma'am, minus x square minus 9x plus minus 13x plus 117, ma'am.
X squared minus 9x minus 13x where are the others? Let me just check. Kirtana, Devadarshini, Raja, Sindhu and Sanjay. Please answer, children.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So I've got it from Madhumita and Sanjay and Sindhu. What about the others? Somebody else other than these 3 children? Tell me what next?
Ma'am, Kirtana, ma'am.
Yes, Kirtana.
X of x minus 9, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
And then plus
Not plus. This minus should come down as it is.
minus 13 of x plus 9, ma'am.
Try the same. How will it be plus? Because
Sorry, minus 9, ma'am.
minus 13 into x is minus 13x. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. 39s are. Yeah, then next. Kirtana, after this. After this, Kirtana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, still. Okay,
So-
somebody else. Yeah.
Ma'am? Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
Yeah, continue.
Ma'am, then the x minus 9 into x minus 13, ma'am.
Yeah, please children take down till here. Please write out the answer in your book. We haven't completed. We have one more step to go.
We have to divide, ma'am.
Yeah, we have to divide. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Raja.
Ma'am, I had a small network issue.
Okay, fine. Maybe next one you can try.
Yes.
I got the answer.
Yeah. Children, can I clear the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't clear it. Let me just erase the top portion. So step two is to divide. Okay, so we have to divide x squared minus 22x plus 117 by x minus 13 by x minus 13. So the numerator we factorize the numerator, we got x minus 9 into x minus 13. This is what we got. These are the factors of the numerator expression divided by x minus 13. X minus 13, this denominator as it is. In the numerator, we factorized x squared minus 22x plus 117, and the factors are x minus 9 and x minus 13. X minus 13 gets cancelled, and the quotient is x minus 9. Children, if there's noise in the background, kindly do not unmute. Please do not unmute. Yes, children. So the answer is x minus 9. The quotient is x minus 9. Please write down. Completed writing, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. Kirtana? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please write the same heading, factorize and divide. Factorize and divide. Yes, let's do it together, children. But step 1.
Ma'am, completed the sum, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
That's super fast. Very good. Yeah, what's the first step?
Ma'am, we have to take the common factor out, ma'am. That is 3, ma'am. X square minus 16, ma'am.
Okay.
And it is in the form of a square minus b square, ma'am.
Okay.
A is x and b is 4, ma'am. And the next step is x minus 4 into x plus 4, ma'am.
Okay.
And we have to divide, ma'am. Answer is 3 into x plus 4, ma'am.
Yeah. Very good. Thank you. Children, I hope the annotations are clear. If you don't understand something, please ask me. So this is how we factorize a numerator. We need to take out 3 common, and then it's of the form a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. So we need to first factorize the numerator and then divide. So the first step is to take up the numerator and factorize it using a suitable identity. Second step, divide. Done, children?
Written, ma'am.
Okay. Can I clear the slide?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Divide 15 into y plus 3 into y square minus 16 by 5 into y square minus y minus 12. So here you have to factorize the numerator as well as the denominator. Step 1, factorize the numerator. Step 2, factorize the denominator. Step 3, divide. How do we handle step 2? How do we handle step 2, children? How do we factorize step 2? The expression in step 2? What happened, children? Am I audible and clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, how do we factorize the expression in step 2? No one is sure?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the sum, children? There are 3 terms. What is the sum?
Ma'am, minus y.
Minus 5, ma'am.
Minus y is the sum. Sum and product are numerical.
Minus 1, ma'am.
Minus 1. The sum is minus 1. The coefficient of y is minus 1. Minus 1 is the sum. What is the product?
Minus 12, ma'am.
Minus 12. Find 2 numbers to satisfy the sum and the product. Product is equal to minus 12.
3 and minus 4, ma'am.
Yeah, the numbers are 3 and 4 only can give you 1. And signs, so what's the next step? 5 into y square. Write minus y as yes, come on.
Minus plus 3y minus 4y minus 12, ma'am.
Plus 3y minus 4y minus 12. Next, group these two. Y is common. Y plus 3 minus 4 is common. Y plus 3. So finally we have 5 into y plus 3 into y minus 4. Five into y plus 3 into y minus 4. Please ask me something that you don't understand, somewhere I'm not clear. Please tell me. Okay, so step 3.
Ma'am, I didn't complete it.
Yeah, okay. I'll just call this one as 1 and this is 2. So step 3 is 1 divided by 2. Step 3 is 1 divided by 2. You don't have to write that lengthy stuff again. 1 divided by 2. Fifteen into y plus 3 into y plus 4 into y minus 4. Fifteen into y plus 3 into y plus 4 into y minus 4 divided by 5 into y plus 3 so y plus 3, y plus 3, y minus 4, y minus 4. 5 ones are, 5 threes are. So the final answer or the quotient is 3 into y plus 4. Yes or no, children? 3 into y plus 4.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Please write down. I'll just come back. Please write. I'll just come back. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What's the question number? 5, is it? 5 or 6, what is the question number?
5, ma'am. 5 only, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, children, this is your next question. You can see the symbol there, division. So it's again factorize and divide. I'm not going to help you with this. I'm right here. I'll give you 3 minutes time. Please work, children. I'm right here. Please work.
Completed, ma'am.
What's the final answer?
X square minus 4 into x plus 2, ma'am.
X square.
Ma'am?
Oh, x square 4 into
X plus 2, ma'am. Ma'am, for me, I got the answer as x minus 2, ma'am. Ma'am?
who got x minus 2?
Ma'am, Sanjay, ma'am.
And the other one, x square plus 4, Sindhu, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about the others?
Ma'am, I'm doing the second step, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, I'll wait for 2 more minutes, children.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, but let me ask.
Ma'am, I also got the answer as x minus 2, ma'am.
Kirtana's there, Madhumita is there, Sanjay and Sindhu. Devadarshini left. Raja is not there. Raja is back. Okay. Yes, Madhumita, what's the answer?
Ma'am, x square minus 4 by x plus 2, ma'am.
Okay, let's see if it is right. What about Raja, Kirtana?
Ma'am, I'm still doing it, ma'am, and it's
Oh,
a bit confusing also, ma'am.
no problem. Please try. So Kirtana, let's do it together. Since you say it's confusing, let's make it clear. Now tell me, Kirtana, how do we go about the first step?
Ma'am, I did it x squared minus 4 to the whole, like x squared square minus 4 squared, ma'am.
Correct. X squared the whole square minus 4 the whole square. Correct. Next step.
Ma'am, and then the next x power q plus 2x squared plus power 4x plus 8 I grouped, ma'am. X cube plus 2x
No,
squared.
darling. After this what? After this what?
X squared minus 4, ma'am.
No, Kirtana, this is of the form a square minus b square, right? So how do you factorize it? What are the factors of a square minus b square? Now we have expressed it in the form a square minus b square. What are the factors of a square minus b square? Complete the identity. What is the identity? What is a square minus b square? Kirtana, please complete the identity a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to?
Ma'am, can I say the answer, ma'am?
Yeah, is equal to?
X square minus 4 into x square plus 4, ma'am.
Okay, a plus b into a minus b, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next step.
Ma'am, x square minus 4 is in the form of a square minus b square, ma'am. Or b square.
Very good. You didn't get, have got the correct answer. Now you should factorize this further.
Yes, ma'am. This one.
Yeah, I think only Sanjay has done that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
X square plus 4 as it is. X square plus 4 as it is. X square minus 4 can further be written as x the whole square minus 2 the whole square. Kirtan, now tell us what is x square minus 2 square? Is she in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kirtana. How do you write x? Yeah.
X minus 2 to the whole power square, ma'am.
No. It's in the form a square minus b square, right? X square minus 2 square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. What is a?
X squared, ma'am.
No, that is a square. A square is x square. What is a?
X, ma'am.
B square is 2 square. What is b?
2, ma'am.
Yeah, now tell me what is a plus b?
X plus 2, ma'am.
Yeah, this is a plus b. Into, tell me what is a minus b?
X minus 2, ma'am.
X minus 2, correct. And then what will be the third term? What should I write here? After x plus 2 into x minus 2?
X squared plus 4, ma'am.
Whatever is there in the earlier step, what is there?
Yes, ma'am. X squared plus 4.
X squared plus 4. X squared plus 4. All right. Kirtana, the denominator?
Yes, ma'am. So I grouped x cube plus 2x squared and 4x plus 8, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me just write. Yeah, tell me.
So x squared of x plus 2 plus 4 of x plus 2, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Next, x plus 2 of x minus. Sorry, ma'am. X plus 2 plus x plus 4, ma'am.
X minus 2 into? X plus 2 is common. Write that once. Then gather the remaining terms.
X plus 2 plus x plus 4, ma'am.
X squared plus 4.
Okay.
X squared plus 4. Yeah, now what is step 3, Kirtana?
X plus 2 of plus x minus 2 and x squared plus 4, ma'am.
Okay, divided by, that one divided by?
X plus 2 and x squared plus 4, ma'am. So
yeah,
x plus 2 and x squared plus 4 will get cancelled, so x minus 2.
Very good, that's it. Nothing, Kirtana, you have not still memorized the identities. So you feel a square minus b square is a minus b the whole square. You have not memorized identities, just memorize the identities and then apply it in the answer. You should be able to do it. The meeting recordings are also available. You should make use of them. Any questions you ask me in the class, I can help you. You want me to repeat something? Anybody for that matter. The third step I'm not doing, children, so you know what to do. Step 3. Write the answer you got in step 1 divided by the answer you've got in step 2. As Kirtana told us, x plus 2 will get cancelled and x squared plus 4 will get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. So what remains in the numerator is x minus 2 and that's the quotient. X minus 2 is the quotient.
Ma'am, after correcting the first step, I got the answer right, ma'am.
Very good.
Completed. Ma'am.
Sorry, children. Yeah. Any questions on this one?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the title?
Yeah. You'll come to know. Even if the title is not given, the symbols will tell you what you have to do. Yes, so children, you are given two expressions. 2x cubed minus 12x squared plus 16x divided by x minus 2 into x minus 4. So you'll have to divide these two expressions and find the quotient. And even if it is not mentioned, you should always factorize if possible and then divide. Before dividing, if possible, you should factorize and then divide. Factorize, always factorize and then divide.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Madhumita?
Ma'am, can we write 2x cube as 2x square the whole power 1?
X squared to the power 1 meaning? 2 into 1 will be 2 only, right? It won't be 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you cannot.
Completed, ma'am.
All right. Who wants to tell me the steps?
Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
Yes. I can't make out Sindhu or Sanjay. Tell me.
Ma'am, Sanjay, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, the step 1 is we have to take the common factor, ma'am. 2x.
Step 1, we need to take out the common factor.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the common factor?
2x, ma'am.
Very good. 2x is the common factor. Yes.
And x square minus 6x plus 8, ma'am.
Minus 6x plus 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Correct start. Correct start.
We have to take the sum and product, ma'am.
If the start is correct, it will take you to the next step. Only when you start correctly, the result will take you to the next step. If your start is incorrect, then you will not know what to do next. Now this tells us what to do next. What next?
Ma'am, sum and product, ma'am.
Correct. Write 2x as it is.
X.
Write 2x as it is.
X
What is the
square.
sum?
Sum is minus 6 and product is 8, ma'am.
1 minute. The sum is minus 6.
Minus 6 and product is 8, ma'am.
What are the two numbers?
Minus 2x and minus 4x, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 4 and minus 2. So X square
minus 2x
4x minus 2x plus 8
plus 8, ma'am.
Okay.
We can
We have to group them.
Correct. So X into
X minus 4 minus 2 into x minus 4, ma'am.
okay.
And 2x into x minus 4 into x minus 2, ma'am.
Correct.
ma'am, step 2 we have to divide them.
Yeah. Step 2. What can be done with the denominator?
Ma'am, denominator remains the same, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing. So denominator x minus 2 into x minus 4 as it is. It's already, you can already see the factors x minus 2 and x minus 4. So nothing, you don't have to do anything with the denominator. The numerator, in the numerator, so see the first step in the numerator is to take out the common factor. 2x is the common factor. Bring out the common factor. Once you bring out the common factor, the expression, the bracket, should further be factorized by splitting the middle term. By splitting the middle term. By finding out the sum product and identifying the two numbers that will satisfy the sum and the product. So once you split the middle term, there'll be 4 terms. 3 terms will become 4 terms. Then it is proceeding by grouping the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. Step 2 is division. Step 2 is the answer we get in step 1. 2x into
X minus 4 into x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x minus 4, ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, x minus 4 and x minus 4 gets cancelled.
And the answer is 2x, ma'am.
Yeah. Very good, Sanjay and Sindhu.
Thank you, ma'am.
Others, if you did not take out 2x common, you might have been in trouble. 2x, maybe you took out x.
I've got the answer correct.
Okay, Devadarshini, but you should participate in giving out the steps. Only the final answer you announced. So I can make out what you've understood only if you can share an answer with me completely. Yeah, but your background is noisy, so make sure you sit in a quiet room so that you can participate. So this I don't have to tell anybody here. When it's a class, you might have to unmute and talk, ask doubts, or announce the answer for whatever reason. The mic is the most important part of the classroom. If you're not able to use your mic for some reason, then I only hope you can understand all that I'm trying to explain. So the mic plays an integral part of the classroom. If you're not able to use the mic, I don't know, I don't want to complete that. It's like no point sitting in the class. There is no communication. It's a monologue. Only I'm saying something, but you get a doubt in your mind. You're not able to ask because you're sitting in a noisy room. You're not able to ask because you have some mic issues. Your mic is not working. Then the session may not be useful for you. That you should know. But sometimes what happens is the internet is powerful in some part of the house. So you lock yourself in a room, you're not getting the, it's not the strength becomes weaker in the room. So for some reasons like that, you may have to sit in the hall. So I cannot say. So that is why, I cannot make it hard and fast that you must sit in a room where there's nobody. Maybe you have your own issues. So take care. If the class has to be, extremely useful for you, your communication is very important. You need to participate because we get unique doubts. I am explaining, but you might have something else, some other question in your mind that you should ask me. See now, because Madhumita asked me, 2x to the power 3, can I write it as 2x square, the whole power 1? See that? So see, I wouldn't have clarified that. Because that is a doubt which is, if she's getting a doubt like that. So only if she asks me, I can help her out. When I explain, some of us may understand, some of us may not understand. Why you don't understand, you'll have to ask me. Madhumita, so you said 2x to the power 2, the whole power 1. So you thought like it's 2 plus 1, 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But what is it actually? What is 2 to the power 1? 2.
2, ma'am.
X squared to the power 1. What is x squared? The whole power 1. You'll have to multiply the powers, right?
Square, ma'am.
Yeah, so it'll be x squared. Anything raised to
Ma'am,
the
it's
power
actually like 2x square, the whole power 1 automatically gives only 2x square, ma'am, because only one time.
Correct. Yeah, the power is only 1. Correct. 2x squared multiplied by itself once. Only once. It's the same thing.
Ma'am, I actually got the grouping part right in the first step, ma'am, but then I did it like a square minus 2ab plus b square, ma'am.
Oh, but 8 is not a perfect square, no? How did you do that?
Ma'am, I put 4 the whole square by mistake.
4 square is 16, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it doesn't work.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
8 is not, yeah. We learn a lot by making mistakes. Good, you did that mistake. So now you realize 4 square is 16. You know it is 16?
Yes, ma'am, I was a bit careless.
Yeah. Okay. Find. Find FIND, find the value of this expression. Find, sorry, find the value of this expression.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
ma'am, we should divide, ma'am.
Division by a monomial. How do you divide by a monomial? Yes, it is division. Okay. It is division. How do we divide by a monomial?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yeah, what's the result?
5x square y to the power 4 plus 9x cube y to the power 6, ma'am.
Very good. You're right, Madhumita. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
ma'am, I completed the question, ma'am.
No, I didn't get you. What is it?
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am. I too completed, ma'am.
Oh, very nice. What's the answer? Same thing?
Ma'am, I got the answer as 5x to the power x square y to the power 4 plus 9 x cube y to the power 6, ma'am.
Okay. So how do we divide an expression by a monomial? You'll have to divide every term in the numerator by the monomial in the denominator. You'll have to divide every term in the numerator. So like your answer starts like this. When the denominator is only one term, denominator is a monomial. The numerator can have as many terms. 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms, any number of terms. But the denominator is only one term. It means you're dividing an expression by a monomial. You're dividing an expression by a monomial, a single term. This is how we divide by a single term. To divide every term in the numerator, you must divide every term in the numerator. So see here, this is the first term in the numerator, divided by the denominator 8x squared y. Then the sign here, plus. Write the next term, 72 x to the power 5, y to the power 7, divided by the monomial 8x squared y. If there was another term, minus and another term, write that minus, write the third term divided by 8x squared y. Another term, write the term divided by 8x squared y. This is how we divide an expression by a monomial. Now we know 40 by 8 is 5. X to the power 4 divided by x squared is x to the power 2. Because 4 minus 2, when it's division, we subtract the powers. Bases are same, it's division, we subtract the powers. X power 4 divided by x power 2 is x power 4 minus 2, which is 2. And when there's nothing here, it's 1. Y power 5 divided by y power 1 is y power 4. Y to the power 5 divided by y to the power 1. Division, subtract the powers. 5 minus 1, 4. Plus 72 by 8 is 9. X to the power 5 divided by x squared. Subtract the powers. 5 minus 2, 3. X to the power 3. Y means y to the power 1. Division. Subtract the powers. 7 minus 1, 6. This is the quotient. This is the quotient. Let's try another one. Complete this, children. Let's try another one similar to this. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children, try this.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, we'll just wait for 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Who wants to share the answer?
Ma'am, can I?
How many of you finished this one? Madhumita and?
Ma'am, I too completed, ma'am.
Okay, others?
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am, but I have a small doubt, ma'am.
Okay, fine. All right. Let me do it. So we need to divide. So you can see it's a division, dividing an expression by a monomial. The denominator has only one term, which is called a monomial. So we'll have to divide every term in the numerator, every term. So this is the first term in the numerator, divided by the monomial in the denominator, divided by 9a cube b square. Minus 36 a square b cubed divided by 9 a cubed b square plus 72 a square b to the power 5 divided by 9 a cubed b square. This is the first step. Minus 27 by 9 is 3. A cubed by a cubed. They get cancelled. 0. Sorry, 1. Sorry. Meaning 3 minus 3 is 0. A to the power 3 minus 3. A to the power 0, which is 1. So it's minus 3 b square. The first term is minus 3 b square. Got this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then minus 36 by 9 is 4. 36 by 9 is 4. A square by a cube. What is it, children? Tell me
A
the second.
squared to the power minus 1, ma'am.
Okay, then
B.
B. So can I write it as now 2 a's in the numerator and 2 a's in the denominator will get cancelled. 1a will remain in the denominator. So can I write it as 4 by a, 4b by a? Will you agree with me, children?
Yes, ma'am, because it is 4 into 1 by A into B. So it can also be written like this, ma'am.
Yeah. Now when you cancel, see there are 2 a's in the numerator and 3 a's in the denominator. When you cancel 2 a's in the numerator and 2 a's in the denominator, one more a remains in the denominator. So that is what is this a. And this is b cubed and b square. 3 b's in the numerator, 2 b's in the denominator. So 1 b remains in the numerator. So it's 4b by a plus 72 by 9, 8. And what remains in the denominator? How many a's remain in the denominator?
1A, ma'am.
1 a. And then b to the power 5 b square.
B cube, ma'am.
B cube. B cube. Yes, children, please ask me your questions.
Ma'am, I have no doubts in this, ma'am.
Okay, actually, when you use the law of exponents, you will get a to the power 2 minus 3. A to the power 2 minus 3, which is a to the power minus 1. If it is a to the power minus 1, the numerator, bring it to the denominator, it will become a to the power 1.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
if you have a to the power minus 3, write it as 1 by, bring it to the denominator, it will become the power will become positive.
Ma'am, A power minus M is equal to 1 by A power M.
Correct, that's the rule. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Here also, a square by a cubed will be a to the power minus 1. So it's down as a. In the numerator, it will be a to the power minus 1. In the denominator, it will be a to the power 1, positive 1. A to the power 2 minus 3 is a to the power minus 1. Bring that to the denominator, it will become a to the power 1. Positive it becomes, minus 1 becomes plus 1. All right, this is the final result, children. This is the final result, that's it. Any questions, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right, children, that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night.
Ma'am, by next class we'll start a new topic, ma'am.
1 second, Devadarshini. Thank you, children. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good night.